everyone! In the last video, we went fishing with a magnet. I caught many fish and sea animals with my magnetic fishing rod, but not all of them. I couldn't catch the sea animals, which don't have paper clips. Why? Magnets cannot pull things like paper, wood, glass, and plastic. That's because they are non-magnetic materials. Magnets are only attracted to special metals such as iron, cobalt, and nickel. Metals made of iron or that contain iron attract magnets well. A paper clip is made of steel wire which has iron in it. Today, we learned how and why the magnet fishing rod can catch only the sea animals with paper clips. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. I will come back with another fun science activity in the next video. See you soon. Bye bye.